Back to school is a very exciting time for kids. Whether some kids are going to school in person while other kids are taking online classes at home. I'm so excited to share this video with you all. Check out all of these fun ideas from first day of school banner or cute photo frame and awesome organization ideas. I hope you find these back to school DIY ideas helpful. And if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. We are making a cute school bus photo frame where you can add your first day of school picture. Supplies you will need are some popsicle sticks in yellow color or painted, one popsicle stick in gray color, black Sharpie, hot glue. I paint one popsicle stick both sides in black color. So, let's start making this frame. So our cute photo frame is ready. Now just add a loop and a photo of yours. DIY dry erase board. This DIY dry erase board is super easy to make. For this, I used one old frame and some colored craft papers, and I also used alphabet stickers. If you don't have them at home, you can simply write letters using Sharpie. You will also need scissors and glue. So I'm going to use the backing, for starting with. So we're going to cover it up with colored craft papers. I'll start with blue. We're using different colored craft paper to make rows for all 5 weekdays. Using alphabet stickers, I'm labeling all the weekdays, like M for Monday. So our board is ready. Just add it back into the photo frame. I just love using these dry erase boards, and they're super easy to wipe off. cheap and easy way to organize school supplies? This mason jar DIYs are super cute and can be given as a gift. Supplies we're going to use are a mason jar, red paint or spray paint, green craft paper, and the twine. So start spray painting the mason jar with red paint. Allow it to dry. We will do a second layer when it's done. Now the paint is already dry. It looks beautiful in this red color. Take a twine and tie it around here. So I'm going to glue this sleeve shape here, and this apple jar is ready. Now put your supplies in there. It can also be given as a thoughtful gift to your teachers. Now, DIY number 2, pencil holder. We will need a mason jar, yellow, pink, and silver paint, paintbrush, a masking tape. Take a masking tape and stick it around the jar. Paint the bottom of the jar in pink color and the rest using yellow. We did one coat of yellow color. Allow it to dry and do the second coat. Allow the paint to dry completely. Now that the jar is already dry, peel off the masking tape. Now paint the empty part with silver paint. Let's make some handmade bookmarks. Hi, I'm Piggy and I'm Elephant. Do you guys read our books? Nice to meet you. Let's read some books. First, let's make a pencil bookmark. This is very fun and exciting for kids to make. Supplies we're going to need are black, pink, brown, and yellow papers, aluminum foil, scissors, and glue. Using yellow paper, cut out the size you want to make your bookmark with. Now, using pink craft paper, cut out the shape for your eraser. Cut a triangle shape out from the brown craft paper. And I also cut out 2 black triangles for the lead of the pencil. Let's start gluing everything together. Love decorating your room? Make this banner using colored craft papers. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.